Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I will guide you through how to add clickable link in your Instagram Reels. For that, open your Instagram application and post a reel. If you keep a link over here, then it is not clickable. Instead, what you can do is on the top you will see sticker icon, hit on that and search for link in bio. Now, simply post this story, and then what you can do is just paste your YouTube link or anything over your profile. So, in this way, you can easily add clickable link in your Instagram Reels. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.